And you can see the weight around 3 kilowatts, So it's very, very mini size. If you ship to your country, you also can save the shipping cost for you. And for the 20 feet, we can loading the quantity is this weight. And for the 20 feet, we can be loaded by 1,007 feet, and the 14 feet we can be loaded by 3,000, around 3,500 feet. And for the 40 high Q, this model S301, we can be load around 4,500 pieces. And you can see we will offer you color box, and it has air clamp airbag to pack the machine. Okay, and next I will show you if we send the goods to you, when you open the color box, what any other accessory you have, and you can see it will include the sour set, package sour set, and user menu. It will include the group to handing board, and the user menu you can easy to install and for this machine. And we also will send you the video, and it also has air clamp back to protect the machine. Yeah, you can see. And then accessory, you can see this model. This model is very similar for the S301. We design a very similar design for the S301. This is S302. You can see the different point. The different point is 6 key. Yeah, you can see. And this is white color. And it will include the power cable. And you can see the different point is the LED screen. The LED screen is bigger, and the button it has 6 buttons, and here is the 3 buttons. So this model is more intelligent, and we increase the key. It's 1 key 48 degree, and 1 key 42 degree, and the mode key. And so we increase more 3 key for the S302. And the mode key, it also has 6 modes. Different modes have different degree to more convenient for us to use the machine. Like it have the old mode, children mode, intelligent mode, and the laundry mode. So this mode can be different degree to adjust to use the machine. So if you want to know more detail, you also can comment here. Then I will send you more about this model S302. And the big LED screen, the temperature also will show the outlet temperature and inlet temperature, and the voltage. So if you wanted to bigger size LED screen, you can use this model. You can purchase this model. And for the sour set, you can see it will include the sour head. It will include the sour head and inlet and the intake and outlet water pipe. And it have, you can see it have the sour seats, practice pipe, and the screw set, and the electric word, and the practice sour set. You can see the sour set will like this part. It's practice one. And the outlet in the pipe also will show like this. And later I will show you the size of the S301. Sorry, S301 and S302. S302 can it's same size. So I will show the S302 size for you. You can see the height is 20 around 29 centimeter, and the width is around 6 centimeter. And the long around and the long you can see around 20 centimeter. Yes, so it's very mini size. And the size is same with the S301. And if you wanted to order other sour sets, we also can offer you, like the chrome painting sour set. This part this like the chrome sour set, it's more luxury, because you can see when you install the machine, for this lifespan it will longer. You can see, and the sour and the chrome painting, you can see it's very nice design. Yeah, and it's three steps to adjust the water flow. So and the inlet and outlet water pipe we also can offer. So if you wanted to decide if you wanted to purchase the sour set, include the water heater, we also have the color box. To packing together like this. Then this part we will packing on the top. We will packing on the top, on the color box. So if you are interested for our models, you can follow our company to become our friends. And this part, if you don't like the S301 practice 1 practice shower set. We also have any other practice shower set for you, and like this part, Yes, this practice shower set, the price it will lower. Yeah, you can see, and we also will use the box to pack together, and you can see we also will offer the liquid electric water for you. So if you are interested, you also can comment your email or WhatsApp or any other